What is your name?
My name is Jessica.
And how old are you?
I am 23 years old.
And where are you from?
I am from Columbus.
Where is Columbus?
It's in Nebraska, in the middle of the United States. And
What do you do for work?
I have different jobs. I am a teacher and I am a writer.
What do you write?
I write short English stories and conversations.
What are some hobbies that you like to do from time to time?
Sometimes I like going to the gym. Sometimes I like playing video games. I like painting.
And tell us, what is your favorite food?
I like burgers and fries. Haha.
And can you cook? If so, what are your favorite dishes to cook?
I can cook. I like to make. What would it be? Chickpea sauce. And I also like to make pasta.
Thanks for watching.